how to delete wallpaper on iPhone. Now if you want to delete wallpaper on iPhone, now it first of all matters from where you want to delete it. Now if you want to delete them maybe from your preset settings, maybe from your lock screen, you can long press on it. Here you'll find many wallpapers that you might have added. You can just long press or maybe just long press on it like this and select that. And once you've done this, what you have to do, so let me just select this. Let's say I want to delete this wallpaper. I'll go to customize, then I'll just tap on it, then I'll tap on the delete button right over there. So otherwise I can swipe up like this, then you'll find the delete button next to that wallpaper. Similarly, I can swipe up like this and then you'll find the delete button right next to that wallpaper. And this way you'll be able to delete wallpapers on iPhone. Similarly, you can also open the settings app, go to home screen and app library, and you can also go to the, let's say, the wallpapers tab right over here, from where you'll be able to delete and apply new wallpaper. I hope that this video helped you. If you have got any further questions, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section below. As always, thank you for watching and see you in the next video.